guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot hard-boiled eggs. So for all of you who got an Instant Pot for Christmas this year and are looking for ways to use it that are really easy and really perfect, hard-boiled eggs is a winner. I promise you, I love to cook. I think I'm pretty good at it. And hard-boiled eggs is still like my arch nemesis. There's always that time that you think you cooked them perfectly and you have trouble peeling them or they're not cooked all the way. I know it sounds silly, but hard-boiled eggs can be, tough for some people. The Instant Pot makes it super easy, and I'm going to show you how today. So we're going to open up our Instant Pot and have our bottom bowl here, and we're adding in 1 cup of water. After that, we're going to take our rack, whatever comes with your Instant Pot, and put it right in. Now, you can actually do this for anywhere up to 2 to 3 eggs to a whole dozen. So it's a great way to get a bunch done for the holidays if you're making deviled eggs or if you just want to prepare a bunch before the week. After your water and rack is in, you're just going to arrange your eggs on your rack, no matter how many you're using, up to a dozen. And kind of spread them out evenly, but there's no real, rhyme or reason to how they need to be. Perfect. And then we're going to get this thing locked and loaded. So after your Instant Pot is locked and your pressure cap is locked, you're going to set to manual high pressure for 5 minutes and hit start. It's a great time now to get an ice bath ready for your eggs, because after we cook them for 5 minutes, we're going to do a natural release for 5 minutes, and then they need a quick ice bath. So get that ice prepared while you're waiting, and in no time you're going to have perfect hard-boiled eggs. And after your Instant Pot beeps that your eggs are done for that 5 minutes, you're going to do a release, and you're going to want to time your release for about 5 minutes also. So you're just going to hit your release and time it for 5 minutes. After that, you're going to want to drop them in a quick ice bath for about 2 minutes, and then your eggs will be perfect to peel and use for whatever recipe you're using your hard-boiled eggs for. And after that time in the ice bath, your eggs should easily peel. You should have no problems pulling away the shell. Looking pretty good, if I must say so myself. And it will be the perfect hard-boiled egg. So easy, and honestly, it's pretty much foolproof. It works the same every time, which is why I love it, because the stovetop boiling method, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, and it usually doesn't work when you're having a party and need like 30 deviled eggs. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes and tips like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.